In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your online privacy by configuring Firefox's settings for optimal protection against trackers and fingerprinting scripts. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want a more secure browsing experience, these steps will guide you through the necessary adjustments for safeguarding your online activities. Let's begin by opening up Firefox. Once you have it open, take a look in the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a button that looks like 3 stacked lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will reveal a drop-down list of options. From there, find and select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing how Firefox operates. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice various categories that allow you to tailor different aspects of your browsing experience. For our purposes today, click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you'll find all the important controls related to keeping your information private and secure as you browse the web. While you're in the Privacy and Security section, let's focus on enhancing your tracking protection. You'll see an option labeled Enhanced Tracking Protection. Click on it and you'll be given a choice among different levels of protection. Here, you want to select Strict. By choosing this, Firefox will actively block a variety of online trackers, including those persistent fingerprinting scripts that can follow you around the internet. It's a simple change, but it makes a significant difference in guarding your digital footprint. Scrolling a bit further down within the Enhanced Tracking Protection section, take a look at the specific options related to fingerprinting. Fingerprinting can be a sneaky way online entities try to track you by collecting data unique to your device. Thankfully, Firefox has built-in protection against this. Make sure that this option is checked. If you've selected Strict in the previous step, fingerprinting protection will already be activated, but it's always good to double-check. This feature is included in both the standard and strict settings, but the strict level provides a more robust shield against these kinds of tracking attempts. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've just reinforced your browser against unwelcome intrusions, ensuring greater peace of mind while you navigate the web. These privacy enhancements not only reduce how you're tracked, but also contribute to faster page loading times by limiting the number of elements your browser has to process. Feel free to explore other settings in Firefox if you're curious about additional privacy features. Thanks for tuning in and keep browsing safely.